welcome to another episode of Dusty Road Adventures. In this episode, I ride through a fairly large puddle, find a dirt trail, find some more dirt trails, try not to burn myself, and find an amazing view. Coming into Healesville, beautiful little town, starting to get a little bit urbanised with the new Audi installed just recently, but this little township gets absolutely busy every weekend. It's not a bad thing, it's just gets a little bit hectic. So you've got all these beautiful cafes, coffee shops, and you can see it's got that real wintry look with the trees. It's beautiful along here. Love to live around here. Look at the old Healesville Hotel. The Grand Hotel. Here is the map showing on the bottom left from Healesville, making our way north up to Marysville. Just making our way to Donnelly Weir. Hopefully get to do a little bit of creek crossing. Nothing bad, nothing big, nothing fast, just super easy, basically just a puddle. I'm just on Myers Creek Road and just turning onto Monda Road. But when you see a sign like that, you know it's going to be nothing but fun. All riders must be licensed, keep to roads or vehicle tracks. Yeah, it's going to be good. However, I do have stock tyres on, so my expectations are quite low. So let's see how we go. But during summer, when this track is dry, I can pretty much get through this with no problem at all in about 20 minutes or half an hour. During winter, which we're in at the moment, it's usually under snow or very wet. So yeah, let's see what happens. No more than a couple of 100 meters and I'm already slipping and sliding. Oh, this is going to be fun. So I have to say, I'm on the cool side of the mountain at the moment, and no joking, the temperature has dropped about 5 degrees. Yeah, it's been about 20 degrees and it's now down to about 15. It's like within a matter of minutes it's just dropped. But so far so good, nothing hard, just a little bit rough, but hey, that's what it's all about. So the reason why I love this little track, this Monda Road track, it kind of offers everything. It's got like muddy sections, rocky sections, hills, and it's just beautiful. It's got everything, and it's even got a little horse yard paddock area. So you've got like a little table and chairs to sit up, so you can stop and have a lunch or just have a break in general. But I've got to say, this Himalayan is doing fantastic. It's nothing hard, as you can see. It's basically just a dirt road, a little bit damp, but it is just eating up all the bumps and super easy to ride. How good is that track? Pretty good. So I think we're coming up to the horse yard area. And then from there it drops into a bit of a valley, and then from there it's going to be an interesting climb to try and get back out if it's all wet with these stock tyres on. Here we are up to the horse yard. So that means we're about halfway across Monda Road. So, and this place is also great for four-wheel drive because you've got tracks, extra tracks like that. Bit of a mud pit here, so I'm just going to keep going. Now I'm going to start climbing uphill, and this is going to be fun. Alright, let's get some speed up. Yeah, definitely fighting for traction. That was easy. Well done, Indy. Well done. Whee, as soon as I say that, I get stuck in a groove. So there's a track on the left that takes you off to Nursery Spur. That's the way I usually go, which I might end up going that way depending on how this goes. But apparently, according to the maps, this track will actually pop out on Marunda Highway. Wee, holy good God. Easy, look at that. Alright, I'm now stuck in a mud pit, so I might end up going that way, but if I turn right, that's apparently meant to take me to Marunda Highway. But even during summer, oh there you go, no through road. But even during summer, this place is a mud pit. This is going to be fun. Ow. So I've ended up taking Nursery Spur track, or Nursery Spur Road, or whatever it's called, because I got stuck. It wasn't a hard hill, it was just wet, and with the standard tyres on, with wet leaves and wet grass, yeah, that was definitely a no-go. So yeah, so just making our way down to Nursery Spur, or Nursery track. And there is another road called Roche, that will take you out to Marunda Highway, but I believe that is closed due to seasonal closure. So here's Roush Road. Let's see if it's open. Nope. Nah, not today, sunshine, not today. So it looks like I'm going to be cutting through a major plantation and then pop out near Narberthong, or Narberthong. I'm really good at pronouncing these suburbs and street names, aren't I? So I'm at Dom Dom Reserve. So I just stopped in to grab a bite to eat, make sure I don't leave any mess. And up ahead is the road, the Black Spur. So, but we're not going on that. We are going somewhere different that neither of us have been to. So this Dom Dom Road that I'm on should take me to Archean Way, or out towards that way, so which is back towards Marysville. But let's see where it takes us. So the Himalayan slash Indy, great little exploration bike. It's just, I love the tractor mode when you get the low revs, when you think you're about to stall it, you just give it a bit more beans and off she goes. Amazing. So some of the tracks I went on earlier was very muddy, very slick. Thought I'd get bogged. Well, I did get bogged at one of them, but on majority of them I thought, oh, it's going to be slippery, even with standard tyres on. But no, not a problem. Just basically just trucked it all the way through, or tracked it all the way through. Trucked it. Is that a word? So I've just hit some clay. Check that out. So didn't come off, nothing. All good. This is going to be fun. So I've turned off Archean Way and just making our way towards the back end of Marysville. So just taking a couple of dirt tracks. Hopefully we'll make it to the lookout, called Keppel Lookout, which overlooks all of Marysville. So I'm at the top, and this is called Polly Road, and over there you can see the mountains. That is towards the Lake Mountain, and then beyond that is the high country. Oh, a branch. Well, hello, Mr. Branch. Goodbye. Dispatched. That is signs of a good time. Look at that. Here we are at Keppel Lookout. And as you can see, the weather's starting to close in. It's amazing, there's nobody here. Look at that. Don't know if you can hear me over the wind. So that little town down there is Marysville, and the mountain up there, it's got the like sharp edge on it. That is the cathedrals, and then off to the right over here, that is Lake Mountain, or just on the other side. So I hope everyone's enjoyed the video today. It was fun making it, that's for sure. Checking out some of these tracks, getting stuck in the mud, it's been great. So on that note, I'm going to end this video at the top of Keppel Lookout. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you all next time.